The world of Forex is filled with promises of great profits and life-changing opportunities. However, this vast market can also be a trap for unsuspecting traders. Many beginners enter with high hopes, thinking they've discovered the fast track to wealth. But is it really that simple? In this video, we delve into one of the biggest Forex scams ever uncovered and reveal practical strategies to avoid falling into similar traps. The risky world of Forex. The Forex market is one of the largest and most decentralized financial markets in the world, with trillions of dollars traded daily. This lack of central regulation has made it a prime target for scammers. The promises of easy money often sound like this. We guarantee a 50% monthly return on your investment. Just invest and we'll do all the work for you. This automated software will make you rich overnight. These claims should raise immediate red flags. The story of one of the biggest Forex scams. One of the most infamous Forex scams was orchestrated by Mark Johnson, a senior executive at a major financial firm in London. Leveraging his reputable position, Mark managed to gain the trust of numerous investors, amassing millions of dollars. Mark promised extraordinary profits by claiming access to insider information and exclusive trading strategies. Initially, he paid small profits to early investors to build credibility. But as more people poured money into his scheme, Mark disappeared with the funds, leaving countless victims behind. Why do people fall for Forex scams? The primary reason is blind trust in unrealistic promises and guaranteed profits. Many beginners are unaware of the real risks involved in Forex trading and mistakenly believe they can achieve wealth with little effort. Scammers exploit this naivety. How to avoid Forex scams. 1. Research brokers thoroughly. Before choosing a broker, ensure they are licensed and regulated by credible organizations like the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority, in the UK, or the NFA, National Futures Association, in the US. Regulated brokers are more transparent and less likely to engage in fraudulent activities. 2. Avoid unrealistic promises. No one can guarantee profits in a volatile market like Forex. If someone offers guaranteed returns, it's likely a scam. 3. Beware of unverified tools and signals. Scammers often use fake trading platforms or sell unreliable trading signals. These tools not only fail to generate profits, but may also compromise your personal and financial information. 4. Educate yourself. Education is the best defense against scams. Learn the basics of Forex trading, understand the risks, and develop your own strategies before investing real money. 5. Practice proper risk management. Even legitimate traders can suffer losses without a solid risk management plan. Knowing how to manage your capital effectively will protect you from significant financial harm. A common scam scenario. Imagine someone persuades you to use an unknown trading platform, promising a $5,000 profit in less than a month if you invest $1,000. Initially, the platform shows small profits to gain your trust. But when you attempt to withdraw your funds, the platform either vanishes or comes up with excuses to block withdrawals. In such cases, the only recourse is to report the scam to regulatory authorities and warn others. The role of education in scam prevention awareness is your greatest asset. To safely and successfully navigate the Forex market, you must first understand its principles. This video emphasizes that there are no shortcuts to success. Combining knowledge, experience, and disciplined risk management is the only proven path to achieve consistent results in Forex. Conclusion: the Forex market, despite its vast opportunities, is fraught with risks. Scammers are always on the lookout for uninformed traders. By conducting thorough research, avoiding too good to be true promises, and continuously educating yourself, you can steer clear of fraud. Remember, there's no magic strategy or guaranteed software for success. Your achievements in Forex depend on your effort, learning, and discipline. Are you ready to approach the market with knowledge and confidence?